Good day everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're making baked cheese milk cake. It's delicate, creamy, and sweet. It just melts in your mouth. Please refer to the video description for the full list of ingredients. And hey, stay tuned for some food facts along the way. First, crack 3 egg yolks into a mixing bowl. Now add 600 milliliter of 2% milk. Did you know milk is about 87% of water? That's why it's so good for blending, especially in soft desserts like this one. Add 45 grams of cornstarch. That's about 6 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have it, you can substitute with 8 grams of vanilla powder. Use a whisk to break up the yolks and dissolve the sugar and cornstarch. Now, let's use a fine strainer to remove any lumps or undissolved bits. We want this mixture to be super smooth, just like pudding. Add 3 Laughing Cow cheese wedges. They're about 16.7 grams each. Use a spatula to mash and stir until the cheese fully blends into the mixture. The Laughing Cow cheese was first produced in France in 1921, and it's still one of the most beloved soft cheeses for cooking and snacking worldwide. Now turn the stove to medium heat and stir constantly. Once it thickens, turn it down to medium-low and keep stirring until smooth, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn up the heat and let it cool slightly. Grab a tray or a bowl and lightly brush it with vegetable oil. This helps prevent sticking later. While the mixture is still hot, scoop it into the tray and spread evenly. Press it down with a piece of plastic wrap to remove air bubbles. Removing air bubbles not only improves texture, it helps the cake bake evenly. Cover with plastic and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or better yet, overnight. Once chilled and set, take the cake out and place it on a wax paper lined baking tray. Divide into 8 equal pieces. Now separate 1 egg yolk and brush the top and sides of each piece. Egg yolk gives it a beautiful golden finish. It's called the Maillard reaction, where proteins and sugars caramelize. For an air fryer oven, preheat to 325F and bake for 11 to 15 minutes. For conventional oven, preheat to 350F and bake for 11 to 13 minutes, or until golden brown on top. And there you have it, baked cheese milk cake. Rich, soft, and sweet. The texture is just like pudding. It's a perfect dessert or a cozy treat with hot green tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.